Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to be breaking down why the combo of Gemini 2.5 Pro and NotebookLM is being called 2 times more powerful than anything before. If you are a student, researcher, or coder, this could change how you work forever. So first, Gemini 2.5 Pro is Google's most advanced reasoning model. It doesn't just generate the answers, it thinks through the problems step by step. You can ask it to solve the complex math, write structured essays, or even debugging the code. It is going to explain every part clearly. Second thing, it actually supports massive context windows. That means you can upload the long research papers, textbooks, and even the entire code bases, and it remembers all of it while answering. No more chopping content into pieces. Third thing is that when you enter Notebook LM, Google's Learning Assistant, when you pair it with Gemini 2.5 Pro, it turns your document into an interactive summaries, timelines, and quizzes, and even the AI-powered podcasts. And it doesn't just summarize it, it actually teaches using a conversational and Socratic style. Together, Gemini and Notebook LM work like a personal tutor and researcher rolled into one, fast, smart, and personalized. So why is this combo 2x more powerful? Because you get deep reasoning, long content memory, and interactive learning tools all in one seamless AI system. So if you are serious about studying and building with AI, this setup is a game changer. Drop a comment if you have tried it or plan to. Thanks for watching. Bye.